Thanks, Giovanni. Now we go to reactions from stakeholders to the approval for the Noranda to continue mining lands in St. Anne. This evening, we have the views of residents who are located on what has become a mining belt in southern St. Anne. Go to more in this report.
When we visited the Endeavour and Gibraltar communities, the people, most of them farmers, were seen tending to their animals and crops. They say they have moved on with their lives since the Natural Resources Conservation Authority gave the approval for Noranda to mine an additional 1,324 hectares of land in St. Anne. The people who spoke with us say they never really expected to win against the mining interests. According to them, it has been proven over the years that their opinions do not matter in these situations. They say this decision only benefits the mining giants.
We now go benefit for the little bit of money, but then they give we now go younger period time when we all suffer after them gone.
As for the promised positive legacy of mining that the people were promised years ago, that has yet to be fulfilled. The people point to the infrastructure in their communities, which is not much better since mining operations began.
After mining here, the people have no employment. There's no employment around here. You don't have a factory. There's nothing to live off of more than farming. We live here, we don't have an address. And most people would ask me, what me mean about we don't have an address? The post office, what was here, them gone with it, it's now Brownstown.
The farmers say these lands are prime agricultural lands that produce food such as pumpkins, banana and yam in abundance. And they are worried things could get desperate in a few years if mining is continued.
Them search in the internet and me see which part man they swap rice, phone for rice and cabbage for cigarettes. So that they go happen to we in a long run when we don't have nothing to eat.
Them a try to put we was in a papa rate, you know, because nothing now go there for we plant, no local land or nothing. I told the cocoa what we have to go sell them and put on the money, and money alone can't eat. And me have me picnic figure at school. When he pass exam, when me don't take her school him. Because no farming land not about. See there, and my neighbor me have to beg a little piece of place if we plant that church there.
The authorities say the area of land approved for mining consists of secondary forests and fields, and that no broadleaf forest vegetation cover will be impacted. Noranda had initially applied for 8,335 hectares, but only the 1,324 hectares was approved. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.